Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox Series X. Safety first because capacitors can hold charge. Once done, wait about 10 minutes, then wear an ESD strap to prevent static damage. Make sure you have T8 Torx and T10 drivers plus a plastic pry tool. Next, slide the top vented cover toward the back and lift it off. That exposes the fan shroud and screws you'll remove. Proceed deliberately so clips and screws remain organized. Once the cover is off, remove the 4 T10 screws holding the fan shroud and lift the fan assembly gently. You don't want to stress the cable or ribbon. Then disconnect the fan and any visible ribbon cables, making a note of orientation for reassembly. With the fan out of the way, you'll see a metal shield covering the power supply. Remove the screws securing that shield and expose the PSU. This is the component you'll replace because it converts AC to the console's required DC rails. With the PSU exposed, unplug the AC inlet and internal power connectors. Keep track of each plug orientation. Install the replacement PSU, prefer OEM or identical spec, seat it and refasten the shield screws. Reconnect the fan and ribbons, then reinstall the fan shroud and top cover. Plug in and test on a bench before finalizing. If the console does not power on, make sure the AC inlet and internal connectors are fully seated and check for a blown fuse or visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.